1. 1979 Ford Fairmont drag car. Price, $47,500, located, Manistee, Michigan. This 1979 Ford Fairmont drag car is a serious race-oriented machine that has been professionally built for performance while still maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a classic Fox platform Ford. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior with a silver interior, this drag car offers an aggressive stance and proven competition capability. The vehicle features an automatic transmission paired with a powerful 408 Cleveland engine, creating a combination that delivers impressive acceleration and strong track performance. The chassis has been carefully prepared for drag racing, making it suitable for enthusiasts who appreciate purpose-built performance vehicles. With approximately 10,000 miles showing on the vehicle and a clean title, this Fairmont has been maintained and preserved by dedicated owners who understood the value of a competitive race car. The car is paid off and ready for its next owner to enjoy. Its lightweight design, powerful drivetrain, and race-focused setup make it a standout choice for drag racing events, exhibitions, or collector ownership. The distinctive purple finish further enhances its visual appeal, ensuring attention both at the track and during automotive gatherings. This 1979 Ford Fairmont drag car represents a unique opportunity to own a classic American performance build with substantial power, proven engineering, and unmistakable character. 2. 1956 Chevrolet 210. Price, $45,000, located, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1956 Chevrolet 210 Pro Street is a beautiful California car that combines classic Tri-5 styling with modern performance upgrades. Built to resemble a race car while remaining fully street-friendly, this Chevrolet offers a reliable driving experience and impressive visual appeal. The car is powered by a strong 383-stroker V8 engine paired with a Doug Nash 5-speed manual transmission, creating a combination that delivers both power and driver engagement. A Ford 9-inch rear end provides durability and strength, while four-wheel disc brakes offer excellent stopping performance. The vehicle rides on brand new tires at all four corners, helping ensure confident handling and road manners. Unlike many Pro Street builds, this Chevrolet has never been raced and was designed primarily for cruising, shows, and weekend enjoyment. The exterior presents exceptionally well and reflects the quality of the build. Inside, the vehicle maintains the classic character that enthusiasts appreciate while offering the reliability expected from a thoughtfully constructed street machine. The car runs and drives beautifully, making it suitable for long cruises, local car events, and collector ownership. This 1956 Chevrolet 210 is an excellent example of American hot rod craftsmanship and offers timeless style with dependable performance. 3. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $20,000, located, Richmond, Indiana. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu drag race car is a turnkey performance machine built for serious track action. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass body, the car has been engineered with speed and consistency in mind. Under the hood is a professionally tuned 406 cubic inch small block engine developed by Jeff Taylor Performance. The power plant utilizes a Dart block and Dart cylinder heads, delivering the horsepower necessary for competitive quarter-mile performance. The drivetrain includes a freshly rebuilt Powerglide transmission equipped with a trans brake for hard launches and consistent race results. A Dana 60 rear end with durable 40-spline axles and aggressive gearing helps transfer power efficiently to the track surface. The vehicle is capable of running low 9-second quarter-mile times, demonstrating the effectiveness of its carefully selected components. Safety equipment is already installed, making the car ready for competition. The burgundy exterior and black interior provide a clean and purposeful appearance that reflects its racing heritage. Whether used for bracket racing, drag and drive events, or weekend track outings, this Malibu offers outstanding value for racers seeking a proven combination. It is a dedicated performance vehicle designed to deliver excitement and competitive results. 4. 1982 Ford Race Truck Roller. Price, $10,000, located, Pleasant View, Tennessee. This 1982 Ford Race Truck Roller presents an outstanding opportunity for racers and builders looking to complete a custom drag racing project. The truck features a chopped body design combined with custom paintwork that gives it a distinctive and aggressive appearance. Its unique styling helps separate it from conventional race vehicles while providing a strong foundation for future performance upgrades. As a roller, the truck allows the next owner to select an engine, transmission, and supporting components that best fit their goals. Whether the intention is to build a competitive drag truck, a showpiece, or a street and strip machine, this Ford provides the flexibility to create a personalized setup. The body and chassis already offer a significant amount of work completed, potentially saving both time and money during the build process. The custom paint adds visual appeal and helps the vehicle stand out before any mechanical modifications are completed. Builders who enjoy designing their own drivetrain combinations will appreciate the opportunity this project offers. With its race-inspired look and solid foundation, this 1982 Ford race truck roller is an excellent platform for creating a unique high-performance machine tailored to individual preferences. 5. 1974 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $27,500, located, Perry, Michigan. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova is a powerful pro-street machine built around classic muscle car styling and serious big block performance. The vehicle is equipped with a strong 402 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine backed by a reliable automatic transmission and a performance-oriented stall converter. Together, these components create a combination capable of delivering impressive acceleration and an exciting driving experience. The Nova features a tubbed rear section designed to accommodate larger tires and improve traction. A Ford 9-inch rear end with performance gearing helps maximize power delivery while enhancing durability. The aggressive stance and muscular appearance reflect the car's purpose-built nature and make it a standout at any automotive gathering. Its classic body style remains one of the most recognizable designs from the muscle car era, and this example has been upgraded to provide modern performance while retaining vintage character. The car is presented in excellent condition and has been maintained to a high standard. Whether used for weekend cruising, local car shows, or occasional strip outings, the Chevrolet Nova delivers the combination of power, style, and nostalgia that muscle car enthusiasts continue to seek. 6. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Drag Car. Price, $27,000, located, Howard, Ohio. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS drag car is a purpose-built race machine designed for enthusiasts seeking serious performance. At its heart is a powerful 582 cubic inch engine based on a dark block, producing approximately 900 horsepower on alcohol fuel. The engine alone represents a substantial investment and delivers the kind of power required for competitive drag racing. Backing the engine is a Denver Powerglide transmission, a proven choice for racers who value consistency and durability. The chassis features a 4-link suspension setup that helps optimize traction and launch performance. Additional race equipment includes an air shifter, throttle management system, and advanced control electronics designed to improve repeatability at the track. The car has demonstrated strong performance by running impressive times in the 8th mile. While it currently requires fresh tires and updated seatbelts, the vehicle remains a highly capable drag racing platform. Its classic Chevelle SS styling combined with dedicated race hardware creates a unique blend of heritage and performance. This Chevrolet represents an excellent opportunity for racers looking to acquire a competitive vehicle with substantial horsepower and proven track capability. 7. 1968 Mercury Cougar. Price, $26,000, located, Eaton, Ohio. This 1968 Mercury Cougar is a beautifully built classic muscle car that combines vintage styling with modern performance upgrades. Powered by a strong 302-stroker V8 engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car offers an engaging driving experience that rewards enthusiasts who appreciate shifting through the gears themselves. The vehicle has received significant investment throughout its restoration and modification process. Power steering and 4-wheel disc brakes improve comfort and control while maintaining the classic character of the original design. The interior is exceptionally well presented and complements the car's overall quality. Detailed records and photographs documenting the build process are included, providing confidence in the work that has been completed. Performance enhancements include a limited-slip rear differential and ladder bar suspension components that improve traction and handling. The Cougar's timeless styling remains one of its greatest strengths, featuring elegant body lines and unmistakable late 60s muscle car presence. Suitable for cruising, shows, and weekend enjoyment, this Mercury offers a balance of performance, comfort, and collector appeal. It is an impressive example of a classic American muscle car that has been carefully upgraded and preserved. 8. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $56,900, located, Grand Rapids, Michigan. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle is a professionally built restomod that blends classic muscle car styling with modern performance and comfort. Finished in an attractive silver exterior over a custom red and silver leather interior, the car immediately captures attention wherever it goes. The body and chassis have been restored to a high standard, creating a show-quality appearance inside and out. Power comes from a professionally built 383 cubic inch small block V8 featuring forged internal components, trick flow cylinder heads, and a WEIN 250 supercharger. The engine is supported by electronic fuel injection and has been dyno tested at approximately 600 horsepower. A Tremec 5-speed manual transmission delivers power to the rear wheels while providing an engaging driving experience. Additional upgrades include Willwood disc brakes, Bilstein shocks, a custom radiator, vintage air climate control, power windows, and a premium Alpine audio system. The custom interior features odometer gauges and numerous modern conveniences. Having participated in long-distance driving events, this Chevelle has proven itself as both a capable performer and reliable cruiser. It represents an outstanding combination of classic American muscle and contemporary engineering. 9. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Street and Drag Car. Price, $25,000, located, China Township, Michigan. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Street and Drag Car offers the rare combination of street legality and dedicated drag racing performance. Fully registered and legal for public roads, the car provides the flexibility to enjoy weekend cruising while remaining capable of serious action at the drag strip. It has been built with performance in mind and maintains a lightweight configuration of approximately 2,500 pounds. The Malibu features a race-inspired setup designed to maximize acceleration and efficiency. Its lightweight construction contributes to excellent power-to-weight characteristics, making it a strong performer in competitive environments. The car's appearance reflects its dual-purpose nature, presenting a muscular stance that communicates its performance intentions immediately. Street-legal race cars continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate the ability to drive to events rather than transport their vehicles on trailers. This Malibu fits that category perfectly. It offers a unique blend of practicality, excitement, and performance potential. Whether used for drag-and-drive events, local car shows, or spirited weekend drives, the vehicle delivers a rewarding ownership experience. Its combination of race-ready engineering and street usability makes it an appealing option for muscle car enthusiasts seeking versatility. 10. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car. Price, $16,000, located, Middlesboro, Kentucky. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car is a dedicated performance machine built to deliver exciting results on the racetrack. Equipped with a strong 406 cubic inch engine and a dependable 2-speed power-glide transmission, the vehicle offers a proven combination favored by many drag racing enthusiasts. The setup provides consistent performance and straightforward operation, making it suitable for racers of varying experience levels. The car features a full roll cage that enhances safety and reflects its purpose-built design. Racing slicks help maximize traction, allowing the vehicle to put power to the ground effectively during launches. The classic Chevelle body style remains one of the most iconic muscle car designs ever produced, giving this race car a timeless appearance that appeals to collectors and racers alike. Built for speed rather than luxury, the vehicle focuses on delivering performance where it matters most. Its lightweight and race-oriented configuration make it a capable competitor for local racing events and bracket competition. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable entry into drag racing with a recognizable and respected platform, this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car represents an excellent opportunity. 11. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Custom Build. Price, $37,500, located, Richmond, Indiana. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Custom Build is a powerful American muscle car designed to provide an exciting driving experience both on the street and at automotive events. Under the hood sits a strong 383-stroker V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and B&M shifter. The combination delivers impressive performance while remaining easy to drive and enjoy. Additional upgrades include an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, performance headers, MSD ignition system, and a durable 12-bolt rear axle. The car also features staggered American racing wheels that contribute to its aggressive stance and muscular appearance. A vinyl roof and raised cowl hood further enhance the classic muscle car styling. Inside, the vehicle benefits from a refreshed interior that complements the exterior presentation. The car has been built to attract attention at cruise nights, car shows, and weekend gatherings. Its powerful engine note and strong acceleration make every drive memorable. This Chevelle successfully combines classic design with modern performance enhancements, creating a vehicle that is both enjoyable to drive and appealing to collectors who appreciate iconic American muscle cars. 12. 1981 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price, $21,000, located, Massillon, Ohio. This 1981 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Pro Street is a well-built performance car that combines classic 80s styling with serious mechanical upgrades. Powered by an all-forged 396-stroker engine, the vehicle delivers strong performance while maintaining reliability through the use of high-quality internal components. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, a popular choice among performance enthusiasts for its strength and durability. A narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with performance gearing and 35-spline axles helps transfer power efficiently to the pavement. The Pro Street configuration gives the Monte Carlo an aggressive stance and unmistakable muscle car presence. Finished in white with a red interior, the vehicle offers a striking visual contrast that enhances its overall appeal. The car has been carefully assembled with components selected to withstand significant power while providing dependable operation. It remains suitable for cruising, car shows, and occasional performance driving events. Enthusiasts who appreciate classic General Motors styling will find much to admire in this build. This Monte Carlo represents an appealing combination of power, appearance, and traditional Pro Street character, making it a standout example of a modified American performance car.